Substation Design Suite Protection and Controls, or SDS PC, enhances the design workflow for PNC designers through automation and connected data. SDS PC links all your component representations, automates real-time error checking, includes symbol libraries and a part catalog database, and automates bill of materials production. I'm going to show you just a few ways that SDS PC dramatically accelerates PNC design and improves documentation quality and materials lists. First, let's take a look at symbol insertion. I'm going to open a design I've been working on using SDS PC. I'm going to insert another circuit breaker. Here you can see a graphical representation of all my components, which makes it easy to select and insert the correct component. When I insert the breaker, SDS PC trims the wire automatically and adds an appropriate tag to the component. To update the materials, I can use the pick option to insert the description from another component quickly and ensure the correct metadata is associated with the breaker to inform the bill of materials by selecting the exact breaker I'm using. The catalog data, ratings, and other important information are added automatically. Let's take a look at how SDS PC automates bill of material creation. I can create a BOM for the full project or just the active drawing. Just like that, the BOM is ready. There is no need to count components or go through a lengthy process to copy and paste into spreadsheets. If it's in the drawing, it's in the BOM. Now let's see how SDS PC automates cable fan-in. We've done a lot of work in the schematics in this project, and traditionally, now we'd have to start again with the wiring diagram. SDS PC stores all the wiring connections in a database, so when it's time to create the wiring diagram, we can just choose how we want the annotations to appear and then let the software create the diagram. This saves hours and hours of manual work, both in design and in QA, because we're not recreating the drawing, we're pulling data we've already entered in the design. SDS PC automates tedious and repetitive tasks, automates BOM and cable schedule creation, and significantly reduces both design and QA/QC time in PNC projects. What could SDS PC do for your workflow?